maximize your downtime and optimize your efficiency, then this truck right here is something that will work out for you. Folks, take a look at this nice Freightliner roll-off truck with a pintle hitch pup trailer. You may know this pup trailer as a, they call them different in different areas, many different things, tag trailers, transfer trailers. We call it a live pup trailer, but essentially it's a live roll-off trailer that is essentially the same thing as having a roll-off in your body, okay? So it's a 22-foot long and it's a 50,000 pound cable hoist system. And this allows you to haul 2 dumpsters at one, which saves a lot on time and efficiency, fuel, etc. We're gonna do a quick little walk around. Tarek here with Roll-Off Truck World, your one-stop way shop. Quick little walk around we're gonna be doing on this truck. Make it quick and simple. It's not gonna be a full in-depth review, but you got a brand new, this is a Freightliner 114 with the Allison automatic 4500 and the Detroit engine in it. Titan roll-off XOR-60-22 60,000 pound cable hoist with the American Tarp system, also built by Titan. Raptor X model, fully hydraulic gantry tower, 5-spool outside valve controls, standard broom shovel holder, headache rack, steel headache rack to protect the driver from that cable in the case that it ever breaks. Steel fenders on this one, tie-down bar, full rolling and adjustable tie-down straps. This is an adjustable rear DOT bumper that is adjustable to be able to haul this pup trailer, folks. On a setup like this, you're always gonna have your electrical, your air lines that provides the brakes to your trailer, and your air, electrical that provides the lights to your trailer, and then you will see a hydraulic plumbing. And what this is this will work off of your PTO of the truck. And that is gonna power this pintle hitch trailer. Folks, we did go ahead and install a full American Tarp Raptor X model series on this as well. This is a Dragon roll-off trailer. Like I said, standard rail, 22 feet long. We did go ahead and put new fenders on this and give it one last walk around. If you're looking for a setup like this, if you're looking to save some time in the landfills, save some time on those industrial and commercial jobs, those jobs that require two dumpsters at once, give us a call, 281-864-0891, or visit our website, www.rolofftruckworld.com. We built this truck for a customer, and we'd be glad and very happy to build the next one for you.